Oh, I guess this is Stewie 17. I am here today with, and I am here today with an unboxing. Um, this is a new micro USB cable and a USB wall charger. The I had my I had mom get this for me. I had mom get this for me to to circumvent to circumvent my insufficient charger current problem. Yeah. I'm trying to get this. I will set this down. I've almost got it. No, I'm just asking if I can get the packaging open. If I'm not getting the packaging, if I'm not opening the packaging camera. I need you, baby. I think we're getting somewhere. I think we got it out. Okay, we just gotta put this back a little bit more. And here it is. It's green. The this charger is a Dynex brand. Yeah. So 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 there is my new charging brick. And now for the and now for the and now for the micro USB cable. And now for the micro USB cable. Uh, charging cable. I'm gonna set my tablet down to get it started. And and here and here is my micro US and here is my and here is my micro USB cable, and here is my new charging cable, and here is my new charging cable. It's green. As is this. This one is This one is a combination of white and green. There's the other prongs. The USB port. The USB port. And and to end this video, I have something else to show you. I ordered season 12 of Family Guy on Amazon last Friday, and it got here Monday. It was delivered to my house on Monday. 3 days later. that my season 12 my Family Guy season 12 set. My Family Guy season 12 set arrived here at light speed. Here is Peter. Here is Peter and Minnie. Chris and Minnie. And here's Stewie and Minnie.